Have you ever wondered how bowling balls are made? Today we unravel this mystery. You see, there's a whole world of science, artistry, and sheer human ingenuity wrapped up in that seemingly simple sphere. Bowling balls, while often overlooked, are actually the unsung heroes of the lanes. They are a product of meticulous design and laborious manufacturing processes. So let's shed some light on this underappreciated sporting gear. Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating journey of a bowling ball, from raw materials to a perfect sphere. Our journey begins with the core of the bowling ball. Imagine a world where the core is the king. It's the heart, the essence, the very soul of the bowling ball. And it all starts with selecting the right material. The perfect blend of polyester and resin is crucial, and this blend is what will ultimately determine the weight and balance of the ball. But the magic doesn't stop there. The next step is to shape this material into a perfect sphere. This is a meticulous process that takes precision and care. One wrong move and the entire ball could be off balance. The core's role extends beyond just weight and balance. It also determines how the ball behaves on the lane. The spin, the hook, the overall performance, it's all in the core. From the moment it leaves your hand to the moment it hits the pins, the core is in command. The core is the heart of the bowling ball, but it's just the beginning. Next, we move on to the coverstock, the outer shell of the bowling ball. Now, the coverstock is the part of the bowling ball that you actually see and touch. It's what physically interacts with the lane surface and the pins. The choice of material for the coverstock is critical, as it significantly impacts the ball's performance. The most common materials used are plastic, urethane, reactive resin, and particle proactive coverstocks. Plastic coverstocks, for instance, are perfect for beginners. They offer a straight trajectory and are great for hitting those spares. Urethane coverstocks, on the other hand, provide more hook and control. Reactive resin coverstocks are for the more advanced bowlers out there. They offer the most hook potential and are highly responsive to lane conditions. Lastly, particle coverstocks are designed for heavy oil conditions and offer the most traction on the lane. So, how do we attach this coverstock to the core? The coverstock is poured into a mold in liquid form. The core is then placed into the mold and the coverstock material surrounds it. This process ensures a perfect fit every time. Once the coverstock has been attached to the core, it's time for the final touches. The ball is first sanded down to ensure a smooth surface. It is then polished to give it that shiny, new ball look we all love. The degree of polishing can also affect how the ball behaves on the lane. A high polish will allow the ball to skid more, while a dull finish will provide more traction. The very last step is the branding. The manufacturer's logo and the ball's name are usually laser engraved or printed onto the surface. This is more than just a branding exercise. Bowlers often use these markings as visual aids when lining up their shots. Now, we have a finished bowling ball ready to hit the lanes. So, that's how a bowling ball comes to life. Let's take a moment to appreciate the artistry and precision that goes into creating this seemingly simple sporting equipment. It all starts with the core, the heart of the bowling ball. Here, materials like polymer resin are molded into a unique shape, setting the foundation for the ball's distinctive spinning motion. Next comes the coverstock, the outer shell of the bowling ball. This is where the magic happens, as it directly interacts with the lane. It's made from materials like plastic, urethane, reactive resin, or particle, also known as proactive, depending on the type of ball and the desired performance. The final touches are the drilling of finger holes, sanding, and polishing. These steps not only make the ball comfortable to hold, but also give it that shiny finish we all know and love. But remember, not all bowling balls are created equal. The type of ball and its intended use heavily influence the manufacturing process. For instance, a ball designed for a professional bowler might be made with a reactive resin coverstock for better hook potential, while a ball for a casual player might have a plastic coverstock for straighter rolls. Next time you hit the bowling alley, remember the journey that bowling ball has been through to give you that perfect strike. It's not just a ball, but a product of meticulous design and craftsmanship.